What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to get an ad blocker in Microsoft Edge. So this might be a less popular browser, but if you use it, you can still get an ad blocker in it. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right here and click Settings and More. And then you want to go to Extensions. And then you scroll down and you want to click Explore More Extensions. Now this will open up a window that is the Windows Store, or the Microsoft Store, sorry. And you want to go and search the top right here and type AdBlock, or actually not AdBlock Plus, just AdBlock. Yeah, okay. So the one I want to install here is AdBlocker Ultimate. So it's gonna load. It has good reviews, I've read it, so it seems like it does the job. Blocks all ads, blocks YouTube ads, pop-ups, everything you want from an ad blocker. So I'm just gonna click get. And now it's downloading, so I click the top right and you can see AdBlocker Ultimate is downloading. Okay, so it should be installed now. Yep, I want to turn it on. Allow it for in-private browsing as well, yes. I want this to run in incognito tabs, because why would I want ads there too, right? So, okay, turn it on. And now I want it to show in the top right here. So, oh, I'll close this real quick. Oh, it's showing. But if you wanted to do that anyways, you could go to extensions and then go settings and show button next to the address bar. If you uncheck that, it disappears. You check that, it shows back up. So I would want it to show up because then I can click on it and enable it or disable it on the site. So it shows you the amount of ads blocked and gives you options to do stuff here. So hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.